Man, if only I had that car. Then I'd be happy. He's probably going to play golf or something. I'm stuck heading to work. Hey dude, what's up?
Oh, same stuff, different day. Got another delivery to make.
Well, good luck with that. Heard it's supposed to rain later, so.
Oh, it's gonna rain later. If I had a car, that'd make my life so much easier.
I wish I had a bike. Then I'd never be late for class.
Ready to head out?
Yeah, let's go.
I wish I had that kind of love.
It's easy to think that better circumstances will make you happier, but in reality, it's about appreciating what you have. If you have food, shelter, and clean water, you're better than most of the world still struggling to get basic necessities. Sometimes it's not about getting more things. Sometimes it's about realizing you already have enough. Remember, the grass isn't greener on the other side. The grass is greener where you water it.